So hi everyone, in this video you will be getting most important questions from chapter 3, that is polynomial of class 10th board exam expected questions. From this chapter 5 questions I have given. Okay, these are very and most expected questions for your board exam. Coming to the first question, given quadratic polynomial, find the sum and the product. So whenever they are giving the quadratic polynomial, okay, for example here I have written one example so that you can understand better. X square minus 2x minus 3, and we need to compare with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c, and find the value of a, b, c. Okay, whenever they are giving the quadratic polynomial and they are saying us to find the sum and the product, you are going to use this formula, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a, and take this value, substitute here, you are going to get the answer. Okay, this is the first one which we are expecting, and same thing they will be asking for cubic polynomial. Okay, they will give you, instead of quadratic polynomial, they will give you cubic polynomial, and they will say you to find the sum or sum and product or only product. Okay, these are the formula you need to use if they are asking for cubic polynomial. Coming to the second one, find the zeros of quadratic polynomial and verify the relation between zeros and coefficient. So after doing research, I have seen that this time expectation question will be this one, because when compared to your special tests, pre-finals and practice papers, this question is not repeated much time, so chances are there in board exam for 4 marks they are going to ask you this one. Okay, and they will give you this. For example, I have written this because numbers will change, same numbers is not going to come in the board exam. Okay, then third one, find the quadratic polynomial. I have written the short polynomial, POL poly, you need to understand it. Okay, polynomial when sum and product of zeros are given. So already they have given the sum. Sum means what? Addition. Product means what? Multiplication. Already they added, like here for the question is 1 by 4 comma minus 1. They have already added the alpha plus beta value is equal to 1 by 4. Don't confuse. They have already added. Sum means they have already added and they have given. Okay. Then product means into. They have already multiplied and they have given the multiplication value, that is minus 1. And we need to use this formula. Substitute here alpha plus beta value and alpha into beta value here and simplify. You are going to get the answer. So this is the most expected questions for. Maybe it is going to come for 2 marks. Okay, and the next question is find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros alpha beta given here. That's what why I was stressing here alpha plus beta. Here they have given alpha into beta, they have given. Here when you compare this third and fourth question, here simply they have given alpha and beta, they did not add. Even you can observe here they did not use the word sum and product. Am I clear? If they use the word sum and product, already they have added the value and multiplied the value. But here they have given the separate value alpha and beta. So we need to take separate value. First we need to add alpha plus beta. You will get sum of the zeros. And if you multiply this, you will get product of the zeros. Then again you need to use the same formula. Okay, both are almost similar, but we need to say check whether they have given sum and product directly or they have given separate values alpha beta. Okay, there is for 2 marks. And the last one, which is for very important, and every year without graph they are not preparing the board exam paper. Prati sari गवर्नमेंट पेपर लो ఒక ग्राफ क्वेश्चन అది 6 మార్క్స్ కి వస్తుంది. 6 మార్క్స్ के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वो ड्रॉ द ग्राफ ऑफ quadratic polynomial and find its zeros. I have written the question in short. Okay, then these are, we are expecting this from these 3 polynomial. Okay, you are going to get one. So prepare well. Okay, and board exams are very near. First from our side request is whatever the questions is we are giving, first you practice that. Then apart from that, if you know any other questions, even you practice that. Thank you for watching. Please update with us.